This is a big one, dude. Oh, there we go, doubles.
Goes away.
People laughed at me when I said I was going to catch a peacock on this.
Oh, that was a big.
I mean, like, this is the best freshwater fishing there is. Peacock. Oh no, rookie. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're here in Hollywood, Florida at a secret location with my buddy Zach Carman. We're gonna do some peacock bass fishing today. We'll see you on the flip side. Cast the little ones halfway decent. Yeah. You never know what you're going to catch on a little jig, man. You can catch pretty much anything. I also like to be able to cover more ground. Yeah, I can just pitch this right to them and probably hammer it out.
You saw that? Quick release, baby. Oh, those two. And we'll get that out and finish these up and get it.
Drag out a few times. We'll have to see what this thing is. Peacock. Peacock on the Sureketch Lures. They make a lot of great inshore tackle in the Gulf Coast. Look at that. Nice peacock on that Sureketch lure. He ate it. It's getting close. Oh, I got one, doubles. Hit this thing right inside the boat. Ooh, I got a largemouth too. Look at that. Largemouth with a largemouth.
Sun goes down, it gets dark.
Largemouth come out to play.
It's coming out to play.
Largemouth on that Sureketch jig. Oh, there we go. Ripping lips.
Largemouth.
Yeah.
Sun goes away.
Look at that. Another bass on that Sureketch jig. Get him. Rip them lips. Yeehaw.
This is a heavy fish. This is a heavy fish.
Oh no, rookie.
It's a real rookie.
Come on, rookie. Oh, look at that beast.
You can fish behind it. Get your butt in the water.
Where is it?
Fish right behind it. Throw the water.
Yeah. That's a good one.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we already got my bait. Look at that.
Circle hook did what it's supposed to.
Perfect. Nice peacock right there, brother. Put him back for another day. Not too bad for a kid from Minneapolis and a Miami boy. Oh, you got hooked up. I barely got mine back out. You already got another fish on. No wonder you let me fish in the front. Oh, there we go, doubles. Oh, this is a nice one, dude. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna try to keep mine away from yours. This is a big one, dude. It's coming to right to you. Keep yours up high. Good job. All right, I'm clear. Ooh. Woo! Look at that. That Sureketch jig is hammering these peacocks. Look at that. What is that, about 40 and 50 or something?
Yeah.
Is a nice peacock. We know all the nice peacocks. He ain't ready. Nice fish.
Pretty fish.
Get bigger, brother. Oh, there we go. Look at that. That spot does not let down, dude. Ooh. Everything feels like a good one on this rod. That's kind of the fun with it. Yeah. Ooh. Trying to get away from that motor. Oh,
That's a good one, Bo. Come on.
ooh, look at him.
Oh yeah, nice fish, nice fish. That's your fish, Bo. Oh no. You better go easy. You jump too far.
He'll be all right.
That's a good
He's
picture.
hooked good. He's hooked good.
That's a good picture there.
Look at that. Nice peacock bass on that Sureketch jig. Nice peacock bass, man. Go ahead, go over to Ballistic Gang, pick up some shirts to help support more content on the channel. I'd like to thank our sponsors, Resort Vacation Properties St. George Island, Brownells, Salt Life. Again, guys, if you believe what we believe, that living a waterfall life isn't something you just do for fun, but it's part of being who you are, please like, subscribe, and share my channel so we can inspire just that.